Ah, pues, nice. Que ese es el Twitter. Twitter feed ha estado hablando de eso toda la mañana. Sí, se va. Ok. Sí, sí. It's
Sí.
true, it's true, it's true. There you go, guys. So, estamos hablando, guys. Buenos días, buenos días. Trick Traders, Sebastian, gracias, thank you. Estamos hablando de top.
Yeah. So this is Top Financial Group. Es una compañía, it's a broker. It's a Chinese broker. And they doubled their revenue or something like that. But it was a situation where there's the float is really small, and there's no shares outstanding really. So everybody gets stuck short, and then people really get friggin' smoked on this thing. So this pins here went to $260 last night,
Yeah.
and now it just crashed here. You can't even get locates for this. The locates for this are like 500%. So if you wanted to short 1,000 shares, let's say, it costs you 500% locates, man. So the shit is ridiculous. I have some shares short. I can't get any more, but I'm short from like a buck 10 or something like that, and then I'm just gonna hold this till it hits fucking $20, $60, $40. We'll see what happens. Anyways, hoy es viernes. Hoy se bebe.
Oye, el cumpleaños de Mari Ice.
Matty Ice.
Oye,
Matty Ice.
Mari Ice vino bonito. I saw
See,
him.
yeah, he looks all nice. He got a linen shirt on and shit. He still got his Crocs on.
No puede ser.
He still got his Crocs on though. He still got Crocs on.
I mean, that's his trademark, bro.
He still got Crocs on.
¿Sabes qué sería muy gracioso? One day we all came to the office dressed like Mari Ice. Like the t-shirt, the
Right?
shorts, the Crocs, with the socks.
That's like a trend too in the States, man. Wearing the socks with the flip flops or whatever. I never understood that. I
Ah,
never understood that.
that's a trend, no sabía.
Yeah, yeah. That's the thing. Anyways, let's run through a bunch of names here, and then Joel, we'll go to your list of songs there. Tricks Trader is talking about sell in May and go away. All that shit is fucking stupid. Anyways, let's take a look at these earnings here. Pins here got smoked. I guess the forward guidance on both Pins and Snapchat were shit, versus the meta here, which is amazing. So Pins and Snapchat continue to be just trash. Amazon here was really the key. We hit 120. There was tons of flow on the options at 120, right? And everybody got smoked here. It traded back down when they talked about their web server shit, or whatever, the cloud service kind of shit. So then if you look at net here, this is another cloud. This is Cloudflare. This thing got smoked here too. So there was a couple earnings that didn't look too good. XOM and CVX reported earnings. So oil, I don't know. I don't know if that's going to move the oil complex there at all. But XOM is looking half decent here too. Um, Obviously, again, most of the juice is going to the big tech names. We need to find where the activity is going to go today to see if they kind of hold the market up. If we just take a look at some of the banks, they were already talking about a First Republic kind of bailout package or whatever. I mean, at least they started to talk about it. I have no idea where that's going to go. Um, but they're talking about rescuing First Republic here. So if we take a look at this this news here, we'll also take a look at some crypto here off the open. Um, let's see what we got. Here we go. Treasury Department and Federal Reserve are among the government bodies that have in recent days started to orchestrate meetings with other companies. It is unclear whether the U.S. government is considering participating in a private sector rescue, as emboldened executives as the Kremlin to put together a deal that would avoid a takeover by regulators. Right now, if the regulators take over, you know, I don't know. Who do they go ahead and sell it to? Or who goes ahead and buys it? Or how do they break it up? You know, what happened to the 30 billion that the banks already gave them? You know, discussion for a deal took on new urgency this week. Revealed on Monday, it had deposit outflows of more than $100 billion in the first quarter. And that was because they came out with their earnings. So as soon as they came out with their earnings, and everybody saw the outflows here, I think that created a little bit more panic. And subsequently, you know, you see what happens there. Let's take a look at crypto here. Crypto here is not doing much. It's just kind of topped out 29 and change, and now not doing anything. This gentleman here in the office thinks we're going to dump 3, 4, 5,000 points. I think we're going to go higher. I think all this shit is going to go higher first before it goes down, but who knows? We'll see what happens. As far as trades here that I got going on, you can see here that I shorted all those puts on Microsoft. I need to cover this position today. This is the Microsoft short because I got to get some leverage back because I ain't got no fucking leverage. I shorted a bunch of SPX for today and for next week, assuming here that we go ahead and continue higher. And then other than that, that's basically all I got, right? I have some SPY calls for the May kind of strike that I should write against, and then I have some Microsoft 310s here for next week, which again, Microsoft is just kind of flat. So most names are just kind of flat, if not down, and we'll see what happens after. ¿Qué pasó? All right, what do you guys got? Oh, also that FSLR, another name to watch here this morning. FSLR reported earnings. Yo, Ben, check out that FSLR. You got an 8-point pop here on this thing. I don't know if that'll help your ENPH. Anyways, the FSLR, another, shitty report there. Yeah, Snapchat here, tricks is not looking too hot. My thoughts on top is that we just keep going down now. So now they squeezed everybody out. If you can get pops, you reshort them. And that's really it. I went in my daughter's account and I bought more pins after this drop. So now I have 300. I think I have 300 shares. I don't know. Maybe 300 shares. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see what happens there. Obviously, I have room to buy some more. Right. Melvin is talking about sympathy names, MEGL, HUDI. So these are all small cap names that you could probably take advantage of. If you take a look at that MEGL, this looks like a pretty damn good short. I think I'll let you guys fuck around with these, though. I don't want to mess with them. HKD. But these are shorts. These are fucking shorts. These are all shorts. Right? What else, guys? What else you all got? Let's take a look at gold here this morning. Gold here is not doing anything. Other than that here, Joel, esa lista que tú me contaste esta mañana, ¿dónde está? ¿Dónde está? Yo quiero verlo.
Mira, pues chequéate esto. Esta mañana estaba escuchando la radio. So, ellos compartieron las mejores 40 canciones para escuchar cuando estés en el carro. So, obviamente canciones que te pompeen, canciones que te hagan cantar. Y pues son canciones súper tradicionales, chequéate, que si Queens.
Sí, no hay ninguna canción de rap.
No, ¿verdad?
No hay ninguna. En el top 25, there's not one. Queen, ABBA, eso fue de los
80, ¿verdad? Esos viejos.
Sí, bro.
Sí, pa.
Fleetwood Mac, The Beatles.
Hay algunas nuevas, mira, que si está por ahí.
Pharrell.
Beyoncé,
Correct.
Pharrell, está Harry Styles, As It Was, esta es la
Uh-huh.
nueva.
Taylor Swift, Duran Duran, Frank Sinatra. That's my jam right there.
Ese es
Couple
el que te
Frank
gusta.
Sinatras right there.
Yeah.
How does Michael Jackson come in at 37, man?
I mean, no sé si hay un orden en específico. Como que no creo que la número uno sea la número uno, sí.
¿Y por qué dice que son buenas canciones para específicamente para escuchar en el carro?
I mean, I guess porque te pompean, las cantas, estás ahí, you know,
Sigue abajo, sigue abajo, sigue abajo,
estás rocking, bro.
sigue abajo. Quiero ver la. Oh, so Rihanna,
Bro, let it go
Depeche
the
Mode.
Frozen, what the fuck.
There's not one rap song, bro. Not one.
Mira,
Que te pompea. Tú me dijiste que te pompea. Come on, like rap fucking pumps you up. If I listen to a Rick Ross song, man, I'm ready to go, bro.
¿tú sabes cuál pusieron en la radio que pompea y que no está en esta lista? Chequéate, yo la busqué
Ajá,
aquí. Esta canción es La Bestia.
ajá. Ahora no te escucho. ¿Qué es eso? House of Pain. Ah, ok. Yo me recuerdo de esa canción.
Claro.
Yo me recuerdo de esa canción. Mira, Valeria está diciendo que por qué por qué los que manejan tienen 40 años de edad average.
Probably. Probably. Bro,
Um,
esto es classic.
¿A ti te gusta esa canción?
Claro. Eso pompea,
Sí.
mano.
Sí, sí. Valeria está diciendo que faltó Eminem. Eminem,
Exacto.
exactly. Cómo tú no vas a poner Eminem o algo así? Ellos son mexicanos, House of Pain, ¿verdad?
Ah, yo no sé. ¿No son New Yorkers or something? I really don't know, bro.
Carlos is saying careful with copyrights. Oh, fucking. What do you say? So even on a live stream, YouTube will cancel your shit if you playing music or whatever? That's
Maybe.
crazy.
I
That's
mean, pero
crazy.
eso son como... Ellos tienen unas reglas. Tienen que ser como un tiempo en específico.
Wow, yo no sabía eso. Eso es una mierda. Um, Vanilla Ice, come on, man. You really todavía tú escuchas esa canción Vanilla Ice, bro?
Vanilla Ice Baby, vamos a
Get
buscarla.
the fuck out of here, man.
Eso es un classic, though.
Ranchero is admitting he's old. His generation broke that shit open. Man, Facebook is even worse than I'll have Facebook out of somebody's trailer or whatever, blah, blah, blah. Speaking of the Facebook, well, let's go ahead and
El menú del
go ahead.
chavito.
El menú de Church's Chicken. Todavía no he comido ahí. That shit looks terrible, though.
Bro, esto es un
Nah.
vibe. Hey.
Nah. ¿Por qué se llama Church, bro? Church.
Ice. Bro, tú sabes que yo hice un talent show de esto cuando estaba en séptimo grado.
Sí, mira el baile. Mira el baile. Mira el baile.
Collaborate and listen.
Are you kidding me? You know, imagine people listening to this shit now, man. They can't do it.
Imagínate a Ian bailando esto. Él sería experto.
Is he the only white guy in the video?
I think so.
Is he the only white guy in the video? That would make this video. Oh
¿Quién?
no. Oh no.
Pero tú sabes qué? This
Huh.
song wasn't in the 40
Yeah,
40
no,
list.
of course it wasn't. They had it against rap. Whoever made that list. This list, they hate rappers. They hate rappers. It's like Kanye. They hate black people. But again, there's black people on that list though. Beyonce, Rihanna,
Yeah.
Michael Jackson, and all this. Anyways, all right, guys. What do you guys got? We're sitting here looking at Meta for a move possibly to 240, similar to what Microsoft did. But for the most part here, as long as we don't sell off, I'm good. I'll keep making money over here. You know. That's it. That's literally it. But because I'm out to May, I'm out to next week. That might give me some problems. So I need to write against my other rights. So I kind of need to play around a little bit. Twista. He's a fast rapper. Anyways, all right, guys. 922 here. Again, give me some names. Give me some names. Give me some other stuff to take a look at. Remember, they always rotate after you get a move up, right? And then they kind of just keep things going. Okay. So hence, the AMCs, they could start rolling into the meme stocks, pretty aggressively. So if you look at the GME, the BBBY, I mean, I think AMC could get to $6 and then maybe give us another short opportunity. I don't even think going long is a bad idea on the AMC. The Nvidia and the semiconductors. Fly Trader, what's giving you the conviction to hold these contracts overnight? Feel, bro. Feel. That's it. I take a shot. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, I'm right. That's it. You want a more specific answer than that? Pay me. Pay me. Carlo is saying, how do you deal with something like Amazon on a crazy ass market like this? Carlo, dímelo, ¿cómo está, bro? ¿Cómo está, bro? If they start bidding Amazon, and they get this thing back to 112, this thing could start moving, man. And if this thing gets bid, market ain't going down. Consumer sentiment, right, we got coming out at 10 o'clock. So let's stick around, wait for that. But try to find names that haven't rallied yet that want to rally. I don't know what those names are, but try to, let's see what we got. Obviously, if they rotate the banks in oil and like Dow stocks, like Home Depot, like Boeing and shit like that, and stuff like that. So easy is saying, any advice for swing trading options? I've traded and quit many times. Sure, pay me. Let's see, Google. Dímelo. Would you go back and take a shower? Hi, Diego. Oh, shit. I'm trying to sell a car. Recibo. How to upload photos. I'm trying to sell a car on fucking clasificados in Puerto Rico. Es una fucking gran mierda. Bro, yo no tengo cuenta en Facebook, man. Tengo que reabrir una. Voy a hacerlo. Pero clasificados, wow. I mean, yo bajé la aplicación de clasificados y parece lo fucking mismo, bro. Es como que no pusieron ningún effort, bro. Like, who the fuck are these people? Felix, saludos desde Montreal. Dude, I love Montreal, bro. I love Montreal. Fly Trader, take the course. Come down here to Trade Space. So easy. Let's see. Let's just go to. Right. Let's just go there, and then. Hold on one second. So easy. Yeah, man. Come through, man. Come through. TradeSpace has a. And then you go to tradespace.us, right? TradeSpace has a diamond course, which is a 3-month immersion course, where you can just come down here and spend 3 months with us. I would highly recommend that for anybody who wants to really do this shit as a career. You could do that too. But if you want the online shit, go to St. Lucci. Anyways, all right. So again, rotation. I'm gonna take a look at the AMD and the Nvidia off the open here to see if they buy those. No, that's official. That is official. We have a Diamond Course member down here right now. He is here for 3 months. and he's a kid, 20 years old. So we kind of stagger them. So every 3 months or whatever, we'll take 1 or 2 more students. We can't take too many. And that price is going to keep going up. So get it in now. Get it in now. All right. So off the open here, my first plan of action is to bury some of the Microsoft puts. Fly Trader saying, can you send me the... Joel, ¿puede enviarle el enlace de Diamond Course? ¿O ya está o no está? Ah, ok. So puede hablar con él. So Fly Trader. So sí, envíale mensaje y Fly Trader, put in your email or whatever, and then my boy Joel will write out to you. Where can I find all the information for Diamond Course? Is this the master on your website? No, the master is online. Diamond is you have to relocate to Puerto Rico. So if you're not willing to relocate to Puerto Rico, I would take. We have Goodswell here. We have Goodswell here coming down for June here for the Diamond Course. So yeah, Ask Chrissy Trades. He's been down here as well. The Ask Chrissy Trades is wild, though, man. He wants to party, man. You know what I mean? So that motherfucker could go to Placita every fucking night, man. Buscando mujeres. He's crazy. You gotta watch out for that boy. Stocks here is talking about the Kala here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Ask Chrissy Trades. Yo, Joel, you got a lot of comments here.
I'm with them.
Habla con todo ello. Right? Ask Chrissy Trades. All that information, all that shit you want is Joel. Joel will hook you up, bro. Joel will hook you up. And guys, again, Joel es mi mano derecha aquí. Él está en carga de todo. So, whatever you need, you talk to Joel.
We try the best we can, Lucci. We try the best we can.
Sí, bro. All right. 1 minute here before the open. I'd like to get a lot of shares short on that AMC, but I'm going to hold it off for now. Right? Okay, so let me go ahead and bury the Microsoft. This is the first order of business. All right, so let's close 150 of these. All right, let's go ahead and close these. Actually, let's close them all. Fuck it. Let's get out all of these. All right, so we're out of the Microsoft short puts, but I didn't get the leverage back. That's the fucking problem. That is the fucking problem. Okay, now, again, guys, off the open here. Find the rotation. Look through all the sectors here and find me that rotation. See what they're buying here. They got to buy something to hold this market up. Find me what it is. Yo, that First Solar dumped back through the whole thing. Keep an eye on this First Solar. This thing is nuts. Let's watch this Amazon 2 at the corner of the eye. 109 here. 109 on the Amazon. And then let's keep a look at the flow. Somebody bought some Meta calls here right off the open. I like those. Because, again, they're already in the Microsoft and all that shit. I like the Meta. Let's pull up the Meta here. Let's just have some 240 calls just queued up, ready to go. They're trading at $2, which is a lot, you know, for something that's about to fucking, you know, for something that's about to report or whatever. Ranchero, I didn't have enough fucking leverage to short the calls against my 310s for next week, bro. I didn't have enough. So I'm a fucking chumped out on that one. 412 here on SPY, so we haven't done anything here. I like the Tesla. I like the Tesla for a long, man. I like the Tesla for a long, but again, can they really do it? Check that ENPH 160. That First Solar, I think, is a short. Where's that TOP? Do we even care? We don't care. We don't care. Where's SPY? SPY's green. All right, let's see. Have these numbers open? Minus 82. Whoa. 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 What is that all about? Guys, I'm going to cover some of my weekly 4100s off this rally here. Okay, I'm just going to cover 25 on these because it was a nice overnight move here. But do I have any reason to cover? We still look good, man. I'll sell 10. I'll sell 10. I'll cover 10. All right, I'll cover 10. Let's see where SPX is trading. Again, keep an eye on that Amazon. 4130, and I have the 4100s. We'll sell another 10. All right, we'll sell another 10. All right, well, fuck it. We'll get it down to 25. Fuck it. Friedman is talking about, oh man, hit 154. So he's saying, I'm a truck driver with a family, can't relocate, but will check out the online course. I would hurry up, man, because we already started, and it's going live right now. First solar here just dumped. These solars look bad. These solars look really bad. I kind of want to short these, but I don't want to freaking... let's talk about the Amazon 106 and a half on the Amazon. Amazon doesn't look too hot here either, man. They're starting to, it looks like they're kind of starting to sell stuff. Let's see what happens. Where's that Meta? Meta 240? Meta 240. The options are about $1.80. $1.80 too much. I would buy next week's options if you're going to do it. If you're going to do it. Roku, really? I mean, whatever. Pins here looks like shit. Snap looks like shit. I mean, most names here don't look too hot. So what are they holding? How are they holding this market up? That is my question. Somebody's talking about Intel. Intel. All right. So what about Nvidia and all that shit? So Intel. Yeah. Intel looks good. AMD. I like this AMD, man. I like this AMD. But what do you buy? Do you buy next week or do you buy right now? Nah, you gotta buy next week, yo. Guys, give me the rotations here. Give me the rotations. Who's buying what? Who is buying what? I mean, you gave me the Intel. Okay, fine. This Amazon is fading. This Microsoft looks whatever, flat. It's not doing anything. Ranchero already sold the damn. Which one? Oil. Here we go. All right. So this is what we were talking about yesterday, bro. You got a position on this? Are we strong enough to go through 120? And then what about sympathy plays like XOP, XO? What else? CVX is the Chevron. And then we're coming down here on these numbers. Signal weight is up. This looks good, man. This looks good. Oxy. Fuck, man. It's a runaway train on this damn XOM. Right, let me go back to solar here for a second. Solar here is kind of coming back. Not really, though. All right, so what can we do on XOM here? XOM, we have to wait for a sell, and then we buy something in the money. Maybe these 115s, or maybe these 118s. We gotta wait. We gotta wait on that XOM. I can't just buy up here. That Amazon's still selling, man. No bueno. No bueno. Still selling there. GS. Check the GS 341. This looks good. Banks and oil, man. We were talking about a rotation in banks and oil. So if they're able to do this, they'll hold the market up and keep pushing higher. They've already started to buy oil. There's your dip on XOM if you want it. I'll buy a 10 lot here just to start. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, fuck it. Let's go for some more here. I bought 20 on the XOM. Right, let's make it an even 50 on the XOM. Check out Microsoft here. Microsoft pumping back up. So that looks good. Which one? Yeah, this morning. Yeah, record. It was record profits, bro. Record. Fucking record. This Microsoft looks good. Now it's back up. Netflix looks fine. Google here starting to get a bid. So, I mean, I think that's over highs from yesterday on the Microsoft here. FYI. Ranchero, let me know about your short calls here. Let me know what you're doing on those. Just curious. Where's that Meta? Meta here 240. It's still 240. I still like this, but the problem is you're paying way too much for the option. That's the problem. Right? I bought 50 lot of that XOM. I don't know where that thing is at. It's making some money. I like the short fucking puts, man. I like the short puts. Alan is saying we always clash near these pivot points. I'm typically early. Got to figure out a way to slow down. I mean, that sounds like a you problem. I wish you luck with that. Remember, this is entertainment, man. This is not a therapy session, bro. All right? You're not on my fucking couch right now, son. This is entertainment. Microsoft here highs. We still have our 100 lot. We still have our 100 lot of the Microsoft, and that's for the next week, 310s. Ranchero saying I'm looking to rewrite it. Cover the 302.5 yesterday at a small loss. Looking to rewrite today's if the push starts to fail. All right, let me know on that. Let me know because I'm going to join you on that. Let me know. Pins fresh lows? Pobrecito, bro. Gracias a Dios, yo no tengo una fucking posición bien grande aquí. Imagínate, bro. I'd be down another milli. 306 on that Microsoft, yo. Special. XOM here. Meh. BAC. Check the BAC and the J. You know what? I want to buy this. But the best of breed is Goldman Sachs, right? So we should buy the Goldman, if anything. So let's queue up the Goldman. Notice the meta. Check out the meta. You know what I mean? The calls just got blitzed. Now you want to take a look at it. Now you want to take a look at the meta. Now it's only worth $1, right? So now the premium is low. They smoked everybody out. And now you take a look at it. You know, I'm going to buy a 10 lot here just to fuck around. Now the Goldman I want a piece of. Goldman is 341. You know what? I'm going to just buy stock, bro. I'm going to just buy stock. Right? I'm going to just buy stock. There goes the meta. There goes the meta. All right, let's see what happens here. All right, now you got a Microsoft dump. XOM had a dump out here too. Oh, top hit 41. Aha! Oh, and it just got halted. Let's just go ahead and get rid of our fucking shares. Let's put a bid out at $35. Because when this thing opens here, let's see what happens. Piece of shit. Blew that Amazon trade. Where's that Amazon? 104, bro. 104. Nvidia selling here too. Yo, there's more I'm feeling more sellers than there are buyers here. CM here now, kind of crushed. Yep. Yep. But that could all change quickly. Carlos saying, what's my average? My average is $80. Is $80. Stoic is saying it got suspended. You mean it just got halted? Why y'all using suspended? Are we in fucking grade school, man? Did y'all the teacher scolded you? You got suspended from school, bro? Is that what happened? You got suspended, bro? Huh? Huh? I'ma suspend your ass, man. That means 2 days you can't come into the Twitch. There you go. You got fucking suspensions. Suspended. Fucking suspended. Let's see. Let's take a look at some flow here off the open here. Tesla here. Somebody bought some puts here. 157.5s, 155 puts. They're buying Microsoft here. You got some calls. ENPH. They're still buying puts out here. That's gross. Snap calls. Meta calls. 250s here for next week. 250s there for next week. I like that play. Right? I like that play a lot. You know, the meta, instead of buying this week's, you buy next week or a couple of weeks out. And then you buy, you rotate, you roll everything over. I'm going to buy stock on Goldman Sachs right now, right? I bought 500 shares Goldman Sachs. AMD looks weak, but BAC, right? I like this idea. I like this idea, man. This rotation to oil and banks. Daniel, did you buy any banks at all? Let me know if you take a look at these. That Wells Fargo looks weaker. Doesn't actually look that great. Where's these numbers here? So minus 43. Somebody said they're adding the XOM. Be careful. Be careful. Don't get too aggressive because at any moment's notice here, we could drop out on SPY. You can feel the selling pressure on a bunch of names, but at the same time, they're buying other names, so they are holding this whole thing up. Question is, do they do it enough? Now, BAC could be a monster today, right? So if we trade the 29 calls, they're going for 6 cents. The 28.5, let's do this, right? 28.5. Let's go ahead and buy the 28.5. All right, so I went ahead and bought. Oh shit! I don't have leverage. Don't fucking tell me that. No. No. Oh no. Man, yo, your boy. I need another $1 million out here. I need another milli stat, bro. Rainbow, yeah, I just bought some pins for my daughter. Yeah, in the retirement account off this dip. I'll probably buy another 100 at 22 or $20 at some point here. Check out the BAC though. Right, so I have 500 shares of Goldman Sachs long. That's where most of my leverage is. You know what? Fuck this Goldman Sachs, man. Let's just buy BAC. Right, it's 500 shares of fucking leverage, right? So that gives me 181,000 back. And then I can go ahead and buy a bunch of BAC. Right? SPY fresh high. So that's going to help me out on my short rights. I mean, at this point, I could just cover my short rights because I'm only going to make another 2,500 on this. So fuck it. Fuck it. Get rid of these. Let's get rid of these. But see, I'm not going to get any leverage back though. Check the BAC. Guys, we were spot on here. It's long banks, long oil. Long banks, long oil here until you see a change here. That's what's moving the markets. They're going to go weaker on tech, but they're going to go after these banks. Did anybody buy the 29s? The 29 options doubled. They were 6 cents. They're going for 12 cents now. Oh, boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's go for yesterday's highs. Let's do that. Let's go for yesterday's highs. All right. Now we still have a 50 lot of some short puts for next week. The problem is that we need I don't know. I don't know what we need here. Michael's talking about $30 big level. Well, bro, if we hit $30, everybody's making a lot of fucking money here. So where's that Amazon at? Okay, nice pop on that Amazon. How the numbers here now? CM here, much lower on the 5-minute. $10 a.m. more news. 10 a.m. more news. I forgot. Sam is talking about the Schwab. Schwab has been active. Meh. KRE. Check out the KRE. So this is more of a regional bank thing. What are some of the other regional banks besides the FRC? Which one? What's the ticker? That's a regional bank? Oh shit. What else you got? It's regional banks. It's regional banks. It ain't Goldman Sachs. Somebody buying SPY calls here for 414s and then next week 419s. They're going for the same trade that I'm going for, the 420s for May. You know what? That makes me want to buy more. FITB is fifth third. Yep, fifth third. Yep. Yep, but these things haven't even moved yet. Okay, here we go again. I told you so. The next person who says I told you so is getting suspended for 2 days. Let's check out that XOM. XOM is trash here. XOM didn't do anything. So that didn't do good at all. Where's my XOM? I'm down like 3 on that. Huh. Let me maybe wait for another pop. This Microsoft still looks strong. Someone hit the Q puts. I mean, bro, if you're watching options flow on indexes, you're gonna see stuff all over the place. It does not mean that it's actionable. GME 19.5 probably. Nope, not yet. All right, so we have our short puts on SPX. We got our SPY long, and then we got our Microsoft 10s going, right, which still looks good. Our Microsoft 10s going still looks good. I'm gonna buy another 25 of this XOM, and then I'm gonna dump it off a pop. Check out Microsoft. Check out that Microsoft. Where's that BAC? Keep an eye on the BAC. Microsoft highs. Right, Amazon's coming back. Where's the Tesla? Tesla's coming back slowly. Check out Netflix. Here's your other rotation. Check out Netflix. You guys still got space left. If you miss the Netflix here, just write the puts. Write the puts. Write the puts. Go home and write the puts. Go home and write the puts. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. That Meta, notice what it's doing. All right, let's take a look at the flow again. CM here minus 20. So we're basically clawing it all back. 800 here signal weight. We got all positive. This all looks good, man. This all looks good. You got to be in the right name, though, now. Remember, we were talking about rotation. You got to be in the right names. You have to be in the right names. Where's NVIDIA? 272. I don't think these are the right names. And my XOM is not the right fucking name. It's mostly banks and then that KRE, man. Yeah, these regional banks. These regional banks got some fucking game here. All right, BAC almost back at highs. Right, so we have 300 of those. Don't we? Oh, we have 500. But we're barely up on this. What the fuck? So the game was in the 29s because that was 6 cents and it went to 11 cents. So for me to really make money on this Bank of America, it has to go through 29. But I'll tell you what, there's no fucking sellers here. There's no sellers here besides a couple names. Obviously the solar names. Where's that first solar? Yo, I missed that. This was a great short idea. That the first solar. Where's the BTC? BTC 29. BTC 29. Yo, this Microsoft is just doing it all itself. Meta here dump. Let's give it a second here. Let's give it a second. XOM, here's your pop. Here's your pop on the XOM. So I'm going to use this to get out of some. Right, I'm only down, down 3,000. I'd like to be down less than that, but fuck it. Let's dump 50. All right, dump 50 on the XOM. Ranchero saying, hey, you got econ data pending in 6 minutes. Big probability you get a program. Very big probability you get a program. Very, very big probability. I forget how this XOM trades sometimes. It trades so different. Ranchero, when are we rolling on our 310s for next week? When are we rolling? Talk to me, boss man. What are we doing here on the Microsoft? You want to do it before these numbers come out? iTaxman, Lucci is saying, do you believe in double tops? What is a double top? I'm sorry, what is that again? Is that a carrot top? Is that like a haircut? What the fuck is a double top, bro? Fucking double top. Yo, you really thought I didn't know what it was is the first thing. All right, 29, broke through on that BAC, but still, we ain't making shit. We're up 5 grand on it. Thoughts on IWM? Oh shit, this looks way better than SPY. Small caps then. Small caps then. Yo, check this IWM out. But again, it's been the weakest index though. Somebody bought some puts on Google, but out to December. Yeah, check out that IWM, man. Yeah, Sharks is talking about that bullshit. Sorry, the Microsoft. The Microsoft looks great, bro. Sam is saying banks and oil. Yo, you see that XOM? Now we're back on that XOM. Okay, we're down less. Should we buy more? Should we buy more oil? And then go for higher. Yo, that 5-minute CM is almost done now. But it could all change pretty quickly, but this all looks pretty bullish, man. I'm thinking about buying back into XOM. You know what? I'll probably get a cheaper price, man. Just chill. Let's wait for these numbers. Yo, if they bail out FRC, guys, if they bail out FRC and everything is fucking fine with FRC, what do you think happens to the market? I'm asking you. I don't know. I'm asking your opinion. Not that your opinion. Huh? I mean, that's what I'm thinking. You know, but I'm asking the herbs in the Twitch. Oh, now you talking, Veritas. See? Now you talking. Bruce is saying we going 420. What happens if we hit 420 and then Elon Musk tweets out? I wonder what that happened. I wonder what that is. All right, guys. 4 minutes here to news. 4 minutes here to news. Notice the GS is trash here. JPM is just kind of blah. BAC, you know, we'll see what happens. Where's that top? Oh, I never got the fill. I never got the fill on that top. I only have 36 shares. It's not like it fucking matters here. Let's just get rid of it. 36. Let's just go in the market. Oh, it looks like it's going to halt here anyway. Jacob is saying we going to 406 on SPY. Attaboy. See, that's the kind of those are the opinions we need to see. What's yesterday's high on SPY? What's yesterday's high? It's right here. Or we went higher in the pre-market. Right, Amazon, you got more puts. You know, they're weaker on the tech names here, but you know, even BTC, you got to trade in around 29 here. I think BTC hits 31,000 this weekend. That's my call on BTC. Hopefully Diego's not here to yell at me. We went higher after our numbers came out. Yep. All right, come on, numbers. Come on, numbers. Let's take a look at that XOM again. Fuck. I should buy more. I will buy more. I'm going to buy a lot more of XOM, but I'm going to wait for a dip. Right? So what I'm going to do is, right, we have the 118 call. So we're $1 in the money, right? Almost. So let's try to price this out here. Let's try to get 80 cents. All right. Let's try to get $1. Really? You're not gonna fucking give me a dip? Duke is buen dia, bro. You just woke up, bro? You just woke up, bro? It's 10 o'clock, man. The fuck you been doing? All right. Number coming out in 1 minute. It's gonna be fast. Jesse is saying only 7 a.m. Sun is hardly up. Yo, I got up at 4 a.m. today, son. UWMC. Give me some. What's the most heavily weighted name in the IWM? Give me that name. Give me that name. Give me the most heavily weighted IWM name. SWAV? That's not what it is. For real?
Yep.
What the fuck is this thing?
Subtraining
3% of
holdings,
total assets. Yeah.
Crocs,
Crocs.
Texas.
Wow, yeah, Meta lows. Meta lows. There's your XOM sell. I was able to get a 25 lot filled. All right, the BAC here. I think the BAC actually went higher, if I'm not mistaken. Fat man names here are are holding us down, so they can't sell too much. They can't sell too much. If the Fang names start really selling, we're in trouble here. We're in trouble on the long here. This BAC, if we hit 29.10, I'm fucking pretty happy. Somebody's talking about Uber. See, rotation, guys. Rotation. Oil looks like it's bottoming, you said. I was able to get another 25 of that oil. But you know what? Nah, you know what? Let's wait. Let's wait. All right, SPX looking okay. All right, remember. Yo, this XOM looks good, man. I got 100. I'm back in 100 XOM. I want 200. But we're going for 120 on XOM. Somebody's talking about short puts. Nvidia short puts. Nah. I'd be careful there. I'd be careful. Check the Tesla. I like the Tesla to go back to 161. Would I trade it? Probably not, but I like it. Check the BAC. We got 500 of these. It hit 29 and a nickel. Let's try to get filled for an exit at at 60 cents. Somehow I doubt I'm going to get it. All right, so we put an order to sell BAC half the position at 60 cents. If it goes to 29.10, we're in there. We're in there. I bought some more ES, a little bit more ES, and then I'm on BAC and XOM. My focus is BAC and XOM. I want to buy another 100 of that XOM, to be honest. Ranchero, what are you doing on that Microsoft? Do you want to start hedging it? I like 413 on SPY. In reality, we might hit 414 because now there's no sellers. CM 5-minute is almost done. Right now, the fat man here, they're going ahead and buying. Yo, Natalia, puedes scroll down. ¿Qué tú piensas? ¿Qué tú piensas en ese movimiento? Ajá. Ajá. Exacto. Exacto. So hasta ahora, yo, you see those two double chevrons from back on the 24th? Can you find out what price those are? Find out what price those are. Check the XOM. Check the XOM. Daniel, you in this with me? What the fuck are you doing over there, bro? All right, I'm gonna cover small bit of that XOM. Almost 413 here on SPY. Okay, Chrissy Trace has got a long swing. Honestly, bro, that's the way to do it because you want to have a runner. You want to have a runner on this XOM because if we go through 120, forget about it, bro. Forget about it. Where is oil in general, though? Like, is oil even going higher? No, it's just that. There you go, 413 on SPY. I'm going to cover some futures here. Looks like Friendly was the best out of all of us, right? He got auto liquidated. The rest of us are just stuck in this shit. Coño. Coño. This motherfucker. This motherfucker. All right, there's your pop. There's your pop here. I would take some profits here. If you're long SPY, I would take a little bit off. And then remember, just keep rolling. Remember, it's all about the rotation. Find the rotation. Find that rotation. BAC still can't do it. It should have went through. It should have went through. We sold half of the XOM. So that was a good sell. That was a good sell. Here comes SPY. And remember, I have my short puts for next Friday on this. So I'm making good money on the short puts for SPX. Right? And let's go ahead and cover. I mean, we'll leave the lotto here. Now, how do the numbers look? CM went positive, Natalia, on the 5-minute. Yesterday about not adding to the 64. Yeah, it's smart. It's smart. We can't add. We don't want to add until. Yep. Check SPY. I'm gonna cover the other. I'm gonna cover the other long. Where is fucking BAC? Come on, man. Do it. Do it. Give me the fill, bro. Give me the fill, bro. Duke is saying, why is both large cap and small cap world so active today? Duke, I'm gonna answer you with how I answered my 4-year-old daughter when she kept saying why. I said, babe, shut the fuck up. Where's that XOM? XOM, yeah, we still got 50 on the XOM. Remember, we want to come off on the XOM at 120. 120, we know we're going to get sellers at 120 on the XOM. $414. Holy shit. BAC. ¿Cuál de todo? Sí. I should have held. I should have held it. That was a good one. All right, ¿qué más? ¿Qué más? ¿Qué más? We got to do the Bank of America now. We got to do Bank of America. All right, so Bank of America, we hit 29.10, right? And we got filled, right? So we got filled on half. Let's sell another 125. Let's just see if we can get 62 for it. I didn't show up on the book. I showed up on the book to try to sell 62. They gave me 62. They gave me 62. We made 10 grand on this. We made 10 grand on this. That's good. That's good. Fuck it. Let's get rid of the rest, man. Fuck it. All right. So we're out of Bank of America. We're out of Bank of America. Where's that XOM? Where's that XOM? XOM fresh highs. Microsoft also fresh highs. We're looking at $3 here on these options. I have them from $1.80. And then our short puts are really starting to work here. So we have maybe $5 left in premium here. How much is 5 times the 50? So that's another 25,000, right? I mean, we could bury that, just take that profit and then call it a day, man. Go to Dorado, celebrate this boy's birthday. Malado. Malado. Voy a regresar como a las 7, porque tengo un poker match aquí. ¿Tú quieres jugar? You want to come play? All right, so it starts at 7. Aquí mismo. Sí. Kevin, Richard. Dale, dale. I'll spot you, bro. $100.
Texas Hold'em.
Yeah, Texas Hold'em.
Tener estrategia como por 7 horas durante el día de hoy para ganar.
Ask Chrissy Trades. Yo, you really like patting your own back, don't you, bro? You really like doing that. Ask Chrissy Trades. I noticed that, man. I just want to let you know. I know that that's what you're doing. You know what I mean? Nah, you good, bro. You good. You good, man. Rivian. Small caps, man. Small caps. They're coming after these shit names that don't fucking Arc, right? You could go ahead and buy some Arc here, man. I don't think this stops. I don't think this stops. I really don't think this stops anytime soon, man. ¿Cuál? GME. 19 and a quarter. Sell puts on ARC for next week. Look at the NAS now, $30.33, blah, blah, blah. Natalia, 14 on that 5-minute CM now. Wow. Wow. Check out the BAC, bro. 70 cents. This is a fucking triple. It's a goddamn triple.
Esta línea tú la acabas de abrir. La del metro.
Oh, shit. Yeah, shit. Forgot about that. I be forgetting. Voy a dejarlo. Por ahora. I mean, if Meta catches up, like if Amazon catches up, where's Tesla? Oh, shit. Did anybody take that Tesla 159 to 161? Daniel, what are you doing over there, bro? How's that one? That looks good too, bro. That looks good too. So this is now the fresh move here. So if the I like the Nvidia. The Meta still needs some work, but it looks good, bro. It looks good. Guys, if they're rotating back to the techs, we still float, man. We still float. There's no reason we stop this party here. All it is now is just rotation. Rotation, rotation, rotation. Daniel, we talked about this, man. We talked about this and then we did it, man. So I'm not upset. Could I have made more? Always. Always. I know you did. Did anybody hit that Tesla? Guys, I kind of gave you some fucking gems here, man. You guys need to send me some money here, bro. Yeah, y'all really need to send me some motherfucking money here, bro. Where's that top? Top went back to 80. Holy shit. Holy shit. Top went back to fucking 80. Yo, honestly, reshort this. How much money I got? All right, let's see if I can get 500. Let's try to get a locate on 500 shares. Not enough buying power, right? The buying power you need for 500 shares is 7 million? That can't be right. That can't be right. No, 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 no. Is it right? Current account BP. 7 million?
That's weird.
What? All right, so they'll give me 100 shares. Let's see if they'll give me 200.
3 million.
I can't even get 200 shares of this. Oh my god. Are you fucking kidding me? All right, fine. I'll take 100. I'll take 100. I paid $50 to get 100 of this bullshit. Say it. Talk to me. What? All right. I shorted another 24 shares on top. I'll short another off another pop. 308 and change here. Notice the solars, man. Notice the solars. Valkyrie saying, yeah, it's 500% margin, yo. It's 500% margin.
simplemente va a seguir. Tú tenías como 20 puntos arriba.
¿Verdad? 20.
Kind of. You were at like 50 something.
Sí, y yo empecé a vender aquí mismo. Aquí mismo. So, otro, sí, tienes razón. Sí. Este mercado está fucking cabrón. Natalia, only yesterday, we were looking at 404 SPY. And now look at us. Where's Tesla? 162. Guys, if now they're bidding these names again, market continues. By the way, Bank of America was a double from where I bought it. This shit hit 80 cents. I got out at 60 and 62. I mean, we made 12 grand on the SPX short. We're making good money here on the May. Maybe we should sell some of this. Do we have a reason to sell? I don't fucking know. This one, and then we have the Microsoft. Let's book some of it. Let's start booking some of it. Ranchero, what are we doing? What are we doing on this? Oh, whoops, I just accidentally bought some up here. What a herb. What a herb. All right, so let's sell some of those. I'm going to sell some of my SPY 200. Right, I'm going to sell 50 of the calls that I have. Remember, I got the May calls here. Right, let me go ahead and narrow this down so you can see all my positions here. All right, so guys, you can see here I have the May SPY 420s that are doing well, obviously. I covered some of the Microsofts. I covered some of the SPY May 20s. I'm thinking about covering this whole line here. How far am I out on SPX? That's 100 points out, right? Yeah, it's 100 points out. So 100 points out is 404 by next Friday. You know, what's the fucking likelihood that we do that? That's all the way down here by next Friday. You know? Shit. Shit.
Bueno, pero todo ese movimiento fue en 2 días. ¿Quién te dice que no puede hacer lo mismo, pato?
Sí, no, claro. Todo puede pasar, ¿verdad? Fed on Wednesday. Oh, so the Fed's coming out on Wednesday. Oh, so we got interest rates and shit like that. All right. Buen día, Gingy. Ok, tengo una reunión a las 12. Quiero comer algo a las 11. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, but I think we can continue. I think if you guys miss this whole shit and you have some cash, what you want to do is take it and sell some puts. Take it and sell some puts. You're gonna make pennies here, but you're gonna make something. Like you could sell these 4100s. You could still get 70 cents for these.
El premium que tú podrías.
Exacto. So hay que subtract. ¿Cómo se dice subtract? Okay. So 70 menos 10, por ejemplo. So tú vas a ganar 60 cada contrato. So si tú vendes 10, por ejemplo, tú vas a ganar what? $650 right there.
$60 o 60 centavos.
60 centavos
10 contratos.
por 10 contratos, pero hay que multiplicar por 100. Porque cada contrato representa 100 shares. Yo, Microsoft fresh highs. Okay, Ranchero's gonna move. Ranchero's gonna roll. Exacto. Which is great. So, eso es lo que voy a abrir con la otra cuenta. So that way, on days like today, every day we can make a little bit of money. You know, we can make some money just by writing. Just by writing. And then we wait for days like this to fucking load up and make some fucking money here. Obviously, easier said than done.
Yep.
All right, so where are we at with the made 100% on ENPH in 1 minute opening breakdown? Nice, Nano. Market made fresh highs. That tells you about the character and the strength of the market right now, guys. It tells you a lot. It tells you a lot here. You know? So I'm going to go ahead and just bury the XOM. Okay, let's go back to that top. Go back to that top. That top is still popping. It halted. It halted. It halted. Right? So let's go ahead and put a limit out so we can short more at 90. All right, so let's do that. Can everybody hear me? Testing, testing, 1, 2. SPY fresh highs. Amazon sweeps coming in. All right. Amazon there. Tesla 162. Rivian. Wow, guys. Even now the NPATH here just jumped, just ripped like 3-4 points here. SPY reference highs are 415.72. I wouldn't be surprised at all. There's nothing to stop us here. There's no sellers here, man. There's no fucking sellers here, man. Okay, covered more Microsoft. I still have a 10 lot of Microsoft 320 calls, which actually haven't even gone up that much, man. Kind of surprised about that. Guys, what's Bitcoin doing? 29.3. Still hasn't moved. William, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Shorts are getting robbed here, bro. They're getting fucking robbed here. Let me dump this meta option because this is not doing anything for me. Guys, I'm pretty much going to wrap it up for the day and then just hold what I have here. I still have a 50 lot of Microsoft, 100 lot of SPY. So if we keep going up, I still have my short SPX for next week if we keep going up. And then the only thing I really have is top here. Microsoft 309, 309. Ranchero said he was going to roll. Ranchero said he was going to roll. Someone somewhere asked me, where did I find top locates? I'll tell you exactly where I found them. At my favorite broker in the world, who's called Centerpoint. Centerpoint gave me the locates. And by the way, I have locates to short top, a crazy-ass, stupid-ass name like Top of Top, which I never even heard of until last night. Until Matt, who was sitting right next to me, was like, yo, look at this. I pulled it up. I'm like, I gotta short this thing. So what do? I go ahead and I get the locate on Centerpoint. Okay? And meanwhile, I'm able to play all my options. I'm able to write options all on the same platform. Centerpoint. It's where you need to be. So that is where I got the locates. William is saying too many people loaded short this week, blah, 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 blah. Guys, now all you want to do is rotate, rotate, and rotate. Whatever you can find here that hasn't gotten bid up, that's what's going to get bid up next, right? So if it's meme stocks, usually at the end of a cycle, they go after the meme stocks. Usually at the end of the cycle, that's when they go after the meme stocks. So watch for that as well. And then remember, you know, try to stay hedged. Try to stay hedged. Anyways, y'all owe me some motherfucking money here. So this is what you're going to do. Because you owe me some money. All right? I'm going to write a tweet for y'all right now. and you are going to tweet this out on your Twitter. That tweet, you are going to take that tweet and you are going to post it on your Twitter, or you're going to post it on your Instagram. I don't care where the fuck you post it, but you're going to post it. Can I get a yes? Can I get a yes? Who is posting this? Don't be a fucking punk. Don't be a fucking punk. And tag me on it. AI's got some news on it? Oh, okay. CXAI. Oh! Oh! Check out CXAI, yo. Oh, now we got another game. Oh, now we got another game. What's the news on it, bro? Not that it matters. Here's your rotation here, too. Holy shit. Holy shit. Let's see what it costs for some shares up in here, boy. Let's see if we can get 5,000 shares to locate here on CXAI. So it costs 25% basically, right? So if you want 5,000 shares, you got to pay 1,200. You got to pay 1,200, right? Which is not bad. That ain't bad at all, right? So for 1,000 shares, you pay 25, pay 250. That ain't bad at all. That ain't bad at all. Okay, let me take a look at these numbers here before we wrap it up. Yeah, man, I think we keep dip buying here. Bank news: FRC sprung a leak. There you go. There you go. So that's what it's going to be, right? So they just halted that FRC. That brought things down a little bit. So again, they'll bring the narrative back to push us down. There's no way they're going to let this shit die, man. There's no fucking way they're going to let this shit die. Guys, I don't see them tweets. I don't see them tweets. Where my tweet at? Where my tweet at? Nice pull there on the... Oh, you have... No, you don't have to follow it. Oh, I see one from Alec. Thank you, Alec. Thank you very much, Alec. Did I get it clear? No, no, no. I'm not going to tweet anything. Y'all have to tweet. So I sent you the tweet in the chat here. All you had to do was copy that shit and post it. I made it easy for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I made it easy for y'all. So y'all lazy asses would do it. Make a tweet, you motherfuckers. Anyways, it looks like now we're going to start to just meh, you know, just to have that meh action. I still like that XOM, man. Watch that XOM for a 120 break, right? I still like the idea to roll that XOM into next week's for 120 or something like that. But anyways, I'm going to dip out, man. I'm going to dip out. I'm going to dip out and eat. But it's only 10:30. Damn, I can't believe it's only fucking 10:30. Shit, man. Dizzy is saying, bro, you got to tell us what to do that at 9 a.m., not now. Check out the Microsoft poll here. I think, Ranchero, we're getting closer here, man. We're getting closer. I think we're getting closer. I like the idea of rolling and then writing against it. I really like that idea now, man. I'm going to cover another 25 of the Microsoft, right? I'm going to cover another, let's just say, I don't know, 25 of the SPY. I'm still going to hold the short SPX puts because, you know, I'll make another 20 on that. Okay, Trix is saying, if anything, I'm a poster child for going to Centerpoint. Schwab fucked up my account and got stuck. Blew up my account minus... Did Schwab do that shit? Schwab did that shit? Or did your dumbass do it? Trying to play them tricks. Was up 660% for the year. Okay. I mean, Trix, I might put you on my couch. Let's put you on my couch on Monday, bro. You know what I mean? Let's put you on my couch on Monday. I don't feel like doing this shit right now. I mean, Trix, it's you know, if you go ahead and blame your broker, what, you know what I'm saying? Like, what would happen, you know? But don't tell us now. We're gonna deal with you on Monday, bro. We're gonna deal with you on Monday, Trix. So make sure you're back here on Monday. Oh shit, Ask Chrissy Trades worked at fucking Schwabi for 5 years. Yeah, but let's do Monday. Pitch House is saying, Lucci, thought you were leaving for the day. Yeah, I'm working on it, man. Can I fucking live? Can I enjoy my life, please? Alan is saying, starting to step into the puts. Thanks, Nano. All right, guys. Peace out. Have a great weekend. Talk soon.